Today we're going to bring a weaving basket light, and these are great if you're going to have guests coming over and you want to set them up in your kitchen, your living room. These are perfect, very artistic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today we're gonna bring in some weave basket lights that hang overhead. These are perfect if you have a kitchen and you want to set these up as a beautiful mood. If you guys can see, they look like they're all handmade, and they come out a pair of two. All right, so these are all made of wood in the top, and the rest of it is also weave basket material. All right, so it's kind of some sort of grass made material. Now they do give you a fixture to go along with it, which is also made of, it looks like a wooden one, but this is actually made of metal, and this hangs with an actual rope where the actual cable is embedded in the rope itself. So we're gonna set this up, and it takes a regular light bulb, and it tells you right here, no more than 40 watts to keep it nice in illuminating the area. So we're gonna set these up and see how it looks. We're gonna set one of them up and see how beautiful it looks with the actual light bulb and shining up the area. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's talk a little bit about the installation. It took 3 cables: neutral, ground, and hot. Now to install them is very simple. It takes up to 60 watts on the light. It illuminates the beautiful background. The light soft right now, I have a 40 watts, but you could do up to 60 watts. The actual cable is embedded in the rope, and when you set it up, you could actually stretch it down really low. If your ceilings are high, you could bring it all the way down. This has a lot of feet in there involved, so if you have a dining table that's really high, the ceilings are very high, you could bring the rope down and stretch it down, and it illuminates. Very simple, very awesome lighting. I like the actual weaving that they have in here. Beautiful lighting. So simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.